Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my students, this is a video for second grade of vocational school untuk kelas 11 SMK. Sebagai bentuk penugasan mandiri bagi siswa kami karena saat ini anda semua sedang belajar di rumah secara mandiri terdampak oleh COVID-19 atau virus corona. Nah, materi kali ini yang akan kami sampaikan adalah materi for second grade of vocational school based on curriculum 2013. Jadi materi untuk kelas 2 atau kelas 11 SMK berdasarkan kurikulum 2013. Sebelum kita lanjut kepada materi, before we go on to the material, please prepare your pen or your pencil and your notebook. Jadi tolong disiapkan pena dan pensil atau buku catatan untuk nanti mencatat bagian-bagian penting atau gist dari materi ini, supaya Anda tidak kesulitan untuk mereviewnya nanti. Our material now is biography atau biografi. Akan ada beberapa istilah yang muncul di sini. What is differences between profile and biography? Apa sih bedanya profil dengan biografi? Kedua-duanya sama menceritakan sejarah hidup seorang tokoh gitu. What's differences between both of them? Apa beda di antara keduanya gitu? Nah, sebelum kita membahas bedanya, kita harus terlebih dahulu masuk kepada ranah yang paling sederhana dari kedua ini gitu. Pada dasarnya seorang writer, author, atau seorang jurnalis, seorang wartawan ingin membuat profil atau biografi dari seorang tokoh, dia akan mempersiapkan beberapa pertanyaan yang nanti the list of the question used to fulfill digunakan untuk melengkapi yang dinamakan dengan CV. What is CV? Stand from C and V atau curriculum vitae. Ya, jadi curriculum vitae itu adalah semacam daftar riwayat hidup. Nah, daftar riwayat hidup tokoh inilah yang akan nanti kita gunakan dalam membuat profil atau biografi. The place of birth, birthday, educational background, latar belakang pendidikan. Sekarang pertanyaan, what's differences between biography and profile?
A biography, or simply bio, is a detailed description of a person's life. It involves more than just the basic facts like education, work, relationships, and death. It portrays a person's experience of these life events. Unlike a profile or curriculum vitae, a biography presents a subject's life story, highlighting various aspects of his or her life, including intimate details of experience, and may include an analysis of the subject's personality. Biographical works are usually non-fiction, but fiction can also be used to portray a person's life.
Jelas di sana sudah disebutkan bahwasanya biography is more than profile, lebih dari sekedar profil. Artinya di dalam biografi pasti ada profil, tapi di dalam profil belum tentu ada biografi. Jadi biografi lebih luas cangkupannya daripada sekedar profil. Karena di sana subject experience, ada pengalaman pribadi. When you create someone's biography, you must know much about that person. Anda harus tahu banyak tentang orang tersebut. I'll give you kind of biography. Saya akan beri Anda satu contoh biography.
Raisa Adriana, known by her mononym Raisa, is an Indonesian singing songwriter. She became publicly known for her song title, Serba Salah. Prior to her solo career, she was one of the lead vocalists of Kevin Aprilio's band, Adante, which later renamed as Viera, now Viera Tel. Raisa Adriana was born on 6th of June 1990 in Jakarta, Indonesia, to Alan Rahman and Ria Mariati. She studied at Binus University. Raisa's singing talent was shown since her early age. When she was 3, Raisa often pretended to be a singer on stage. Growing up with a minimal music education, she picked up her unique singing style and voice through some of her favorite singers such as Brian McKnight, India Arie, Stevie Wonder, and Joe Stone. In an interview on October 2017, Raisa said that when she was a kid, she had many dreams: scientist, detective, astronaut, and even a cashier. But to be a singer, that was a dream she fought for. Her career as singer began when she collaborated with famous composer David Foster to perform in concert in Jakarta. Raisa started gaining recognition with her single Serba Salah. The song led her to gain popularity in Indonesia's music industry. She then won an award in Indonesian Music Awards for Best of the Best Newcomer category. Her debut album, Raisa, was produced and released in 2011 by Solid Records and Universal Music Indonesia. Raisa launched her second album titled Heart to Heart on 27th of November 2013. The album featured two singles, Bye Bye and Pemeran Utama. She also performed a concert, Heart to Heart Showcase Happy, Raisa's versions, targeted for the media and 300 of Your Raisa fans that had been previously selected by pre-ordering the Raisa box sets online. On 25th of August 2013, she opened Metallica's concert in Jakarta with Indonesian's rock or metal band Seringai, performing Indonesia's national anthem, Indonesia Raya. Raisa has received a number of accolades including Indonesian Music Awards, Music Planet Awards, and Minute Asians Music Awards. In 2014, she was charted at 45th place on Billboard Uncharted, marking her first time to enter a Billboard chart. Later in 2017, she reached 29th place on Billboard Socials 50, a chart which ranks the most active musical artists on the world's leading social networking services. In 2014, Raisa was appointed as a judge for a television talent show, Indonesian Idol Season 8. At first, she was a judge, but later became permanently involved. In February 2015, Walt Disney Pictures selected Raisa to sing the soundtrack. A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes, translated to Indonesian versions, Mimpi adalah harapan hati, for a Disney remake of Cinderella. Raisa Adriana has married an Australian-born Indonesian actor, Hamish Daud, on Sunday, 3rd of September 2017. On 13 February 2019, they got a beautiful baby named Zelina Rain Willy.
Okay, I thought that you have already watched the videos about example of biography. Saya rasa Anda sudah menonton satu video mengenai biografi seorang tokoh. And I hope you already understand about this material. Saya harap Anda sudah paham mengenai biography. What is differences between biography and profile? Okay, that's my explanation about biography. And just stay at home, stay healthy, and keep studying. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.